Hello and happy July. Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate team and this week's Phoenix Real Estate Market Update. Let's get right into it. So, since probably March or April, we've seen another shift in the market. What is that shift? Let's talk about it. Using the Cromford report, a local organization that puts together data that we as realtors have access to, an amazing data source, and the individual that created it has predicted and forecasted and accurately represented market conditions for probably the past 15 years or so. Very valuable data. Active listings on the market, not including homes under contract, as of today, 6,070. That's been continuing to rise over the past couple months, where last quarter it was around 4,600. 2 years ago, it was at 15,214. Pending listings, 7,229. Last quarter, 7,906. That number's dropped a little bit. Some of this could be seasonality. Summer, historically, there's less homes on the market, less homes sell. To give you some accurate data point, 2 years ago, that number was at 6,500. Sales per month were at 9,684. 2 years ago, 10,274. Something that's often overlooked is the listing success rate. As of today, 91.1% of listings are selling. Last quarter and last month, it was at the highest percentages that it's ever been, which was 92.8 and 92.5%. 2 years ago, it was at 84.5%. The number that we often like to look at as the overall health of the market, Cromford puts out something called the Cromford Market Index, where right around 100, it's a balanced market. Above 100, it's a seller's market. Below 100, it's a buyer's market. Last quarter, we peaked. That number was in the 520-ish range. We are now at 401, and that number continues, or that index continues to drop. 2 years ago, we were at 169.7. So what does all this mean? It means the market has shifted. It's still a seller's market. We're at 401 on the Cromford Index. 2 years ago, we were at 169, 170-ish. 2 years ago, we were still seeing appreciation rates of around 10%, maybe 8%, somewhere in there. So please don't take this as saying the market's coming down, and because of that, prices are not going to continue to go up. They are going to continue to go up, in my opinion. Very, very low supply, while that number is increasing, thank goodness, and demand is still high. So even if those numbers start to go in opposite directions, that's okay. Prices will still continue to go up until they're more balanced. So at this time, prices are going up. It's not as strong of a seller's market as it used to be a couple months ago, but it's still a very good seller's market. So if you've thought about selling, put your home on the market now. The conditions that we're experiencing will continue to weaken while prices continuing to go up. So if you are okay, waiting however long to put your home on the market knowing you're going to get more money, you can do that, but conditions might not be as strong as they are now. So reach out with questions. Thanks for watching. Always happy to hear from you. Have a wonderful day and stay safe out there.